Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 2. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed subtraction word problems. In this video we will discuss some more subtraction word problems. Today our topic is subtraction word problems. There are 64 peaches in a box. 49 are sold. How many peaches are left for sale? We will subtract the number of sold peaches from the total number of peaches. So we will draw the chart and we will write 6 in the tens column and 4 in the units column. Same we will write 4 in the tens column and 9 in the units column. We will use the sign of subtraction here. First of all we will subtract the units. As we can see that we have to subtract 9 units out of 4 units. But we cannot take away 9 units out of 4 units. So, what will we do now? We will regroup the tens. We borrow 1 10 from 6 tens. From 6 tens, if we take 1 borrow, here we are left with 5 tens. In 1 tens we have 10 units. And there are 4 units we already have. 10 units and 4 units makes 14 units. Out of 14 units now we can easily subtract 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Out of 14 units we will subtract 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If we subtract 9 units out of 14 units we are left with 5 units. After the subtraction of units we will subtract the tens. We can see that we have to subtract 4 tens out of 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will subtract 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are left with 1 tens here. It means we are left with 1 tens. 1 and 5 makes 15. So there are 15 peaches left now. 80 watermelons were for sale. 49 were of smaller size. How many big watermelons are there? Out of 80, we have to find the number of watermelons that are big. Now we will draw the chart and we will write 8 in the tens column and 0 in the units column. In the same way, we will write 4 in the tens column and 9 in the units column. We will use sign of subtraction here. We have to subtract 9 units out of 0 units, but we cannot take away 9 units out of 0 units. So, we borrow 1 10 from the 8 tens. We regroup the tens and we will take 1 borrow from the 8 tens and here we are left with 7 tens now. We have 1 10, it means 10 units. And we have 0 unit. Here we have 10 units. Out of 10 units we can now easily subtract 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Out of 10 units we have to subtract 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here we are left with 1 unit. If we subtract 9 units out of 10 units, we are left with 1 unit here. Now we will subtract the tens. We will subtract 4 tens out of 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we will subtract 1, 2, 3, 4 and we are left with 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tens left. If we subtract 4 tens out of 7 tens, we have 3 tens here. It means 31 watermelons are big out of 80 watermelons. In this video, we have discussed some word problems of subtraction. In the next video, we will learn place value. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.